Hi everyone, it's Hannah. How have you been? It has been a while since I filmed my last video. Sorry about that. So today we're going to talk about hair, how to take care of it and how to make it healthy again. I obviously have bleached my hair. This is my second time now. The first time it was so bad. It looked like the end of a broom, and it was frizzy, it was poofy, it just looked really unhealthy and super bad. And so I wanted to make a video about how to make your hair healthy again if it has been bleached or dyed and is severely damaged. So this is my natural hair right now. I usually shower at night and put a few products in the morning, and this is all natural and it looks really shiny and silky, which it wasn't a year or two before. And so I am going to give you my tips on how to make it look really healthy and strong. So the first product is this hair serum by Hairstyler. It has argan oil and vitamin E, which really helps strengthen your hair. This helps with the frizz of your hair. It helps make it look shiny, and I feel like it protects your hair when you straighten it or put heat to your hair. And so make sure you invest in this. It's really inexpensive. It lasts a long time. I just opened this new bottle. It's been like a month and it barely made a dent in it, but I do have shorter hair, so you may need to use more, but definitely look into this product. I found it on Amazon and I highly recommend it. The second product is this leave-in conditioner by Garnier Fructis. I don't know how to say it, but this has been a recent purchase, and so it's newer into my hair care, but it has really helped my hair and I could see a dramatic difference, and it's really cheap. This is like $3 or $4, and obviously it's a pretty big bottle and it just takes a little for your hair. And so I usually use this on my damp hair after I shower, and I just put a little bit, just a little blop, and then I just rub it all over my hair and brush it, and I just sleep with it. And it has really helped also strengthen my hair, and also with the frizziness, as you can see, it looks really flat, and so highly recommend this as well. The third product, I used to use it a lot. I haven't really been using it because of the leave-in conditioner, but it's a 10 Miracle Leave-In Plus Keratin product. It's a spray, and you can also use this in your damp hair, but it is more on the expensive side. This is $30-$40. It does last a while, but I don't think I'll be making this purchase anymore because I feel like I found a better product. But if you're into sprays and an easy way to maintain your hair and quickly, this will definitely help you. The fourth product is this microfiber hair towel. It's kind of long. There's a button here, and you basically towel wrap your hair in this, and you put it on this end, and then you twist your hair, and then you button it. There's a little loop here that you would button like this, and this has helped my hair dry quicker, and it doesn't fall off, which I did not like about having this towel wrap in my hair, just because if I'm moving around doing things, it will always fall off. But this one I don't have to worry about. It will stay on. It's less heavy and it is so comfortable, and you can always buy these at Marshall's or TJ Maxx for a lot cheaper than it is on Amazon, and so I highly recommend this. There's a pack of 2 that I get for like $3 or $4. You just have to look around, but definitely worth the investment. So the fifth and last product is the Satin pillowcase that I got off of Amazon. It is in pink, of course. It has helped my hair so much. It has also helped my skin. It helps maintain the moisture and everything in your hair. It has helped reduce the frizziness and made my hair less staticky, and also for my skin, it has helped clear my skin, and it's a lot smoother to sleep on because I get really hot at night, and this has kept me cool and also has many benefits. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you have been struggling with your hair and wanting it to be healthier and stronger, I hope these are some tips that you can take away and use. Please let me know. Show me your results. Show me your progress. I would love to see it. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Bye.